Joe joins us. What's up, Joe?
Hey, how's it going, Mike?
Good. What's happening?
Not much. What a great game yesterday with that Colt game. A lot of stuff to talk about, big comeback, and you decide to replay a Tom Coughlin interview.
I play a coach every week. So
Mike,
it's a national show. So listen,
and you think the guy in Green Bay wanted to hear Tom Coughlin?
Absolutely. I put a head coach on every week. So if that bothered you, tough luck.
Am I going to hear Joe Girardi later too? Maybe.
You just wasted everybody's time. Now, why don't you say something good about the Colt game, or something that was, or something cogent about the Colt game?
I guess you got to go eat your breakfast.
Go ahead. Go tell us something about the Colt game. Go ahead.
No, Mike, I want to ask you why you...
Tell us something about the Colt game.
Why did you ask Troy Aikman about Andrew Luck yesterday? Because that was another tape. Another taped interview.
Joe,
what, Mike?
Why are you calling the show then? Why aren't you off doing something else, okay? We run the show the same way all the time. We tape interviews on this show every week. That's what we do. Okay, if you don't like it, tough. If 2.5 live hours isn't enough for you, I'm sorry. If 27.5 live hours a week aren't enough for you, I'm sorry. Tim in Morristown, what's up, Tim? And you wasted our time complaining. Go ahead, what's up, Tim?
Yeah, Mike, your kids are adorable. God bless, by the way. That guy, I think, is a disgruntled Eagles fan, but I just want to talk about...
That's a guy who lost a bet last night. That's what that is.
Yeah, exactly.